My lovely wife and I probably have too much stuff, and we usually, we're trying to like cut back on the amount of stuff there is around here. Um, but we shop on Wish, a place in China sells different things, and um, sometimes we see stuff that we just can't help but buy, and we don't actually like wear stuff like this around. We're old and retired. We don't have cocktail parties to go to or anybody to impress. Nobody would be impressed anyway, I think. I got them because I like Baquet diamonds, and that's what those are. Baquets are these guys, the kind of oblong rectangular cut. Um, and these are brilliant cut diamonds. And this is in palladium. So it's a true silver color and will stay that way forever. But it's not real heavy like gold is. So, as far as and diamonds are not heavy, they're just carbon. Um, and they're real sparkly. And they're not really rare or hard to find in China. They've got a bunch of them in the Gobi Desert. Um, so these are inexpensive Chinese diamonds, not De Beers diamonds. Um, $2 on Wish plus $2 shipping or something. Maybe not quite that much. $1.50 on Wish and $2 shipping. They haven't figured out how to do the $1.99 and $2 shipping or something. But anyway, so that's one of them. Check this baby out. Look at these suckers, man. I mean, those are some nice diamonds. And I like these guys just because I like the looks of them. I mean, not because they're valuable, obviously, because I know they're just rocks, right? And it's just stuff. But I'm a photographer and I like to take pictures, so you get to share my little obsession here with taking pictures of everything. Isn't that cool, huh? I mean, that's like a party going on. So, well, no, those threads. Here's the last one. Let's see what this guy looks like. Whoa, man. Solitaire in the middle. Eee, doggy. So you know how I know they're real diamonds? First of all, they're 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness, which means I can take one of those and scratch a ruby. Okay, and I have rubies. This is just a little one, and I have big ones and stuff, and I have some that I bought just for scratching. And not this one. I'm trying to get the scratches off of this one at the moment. Um, and can't, I don't have access to these stones if I want to keep the ring together. And I do, just for, for right now, just got the darn thing. I'm not going to take it apart. And I know without having to do that, because I can also take, let's back out a little bit here. Come on, if I could see, maybe, but I can't. There it is. Okay. Okay, see the red spikes and stuff there? Boom, boom, boom. That's lasing from the carbon-14 in the diamonds. And carbon-14 is giving off electrons at light speed, basically. At the same wavelength as the light that excites it. Okay? Boom, 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 and then little electrons go flying out. And you can see them coming off of there. That's what that red stuff is, man. That's not like reflections in my pants. There's some reflections over here too. But the red stuff right around the diamonds, that's what that is. Flying off of there at light speed. Okay. Same wavelength as the light that excites it. Let's see if I can hit the target again. And look at the blue stuff, see? Hey. Isn't that cool, huh? And those are charged particles, actual particles with mass. Light particles are called photons. And they are less energy. They carry less energy than an electron does. An electron has mass, we say it has mass, of 1/80,000th of the mass of a proton. So it's not quite as massive as a proton by 80,000ths, by 1/80,000th. But it actually has mass. There's something that goes oomph when it runs into something else. So now something goes oomph here too with the blue light. I actually can feel that on my finger there. Because the smaller the wavelength, like blue, the more energy it carries. So my red ruby here, what's this? This is kind of cool. Okay, you can see it glowing blue too, because rubies lays too. How about that? Isn't that something, huh? I love digital photography, man. Watch this. But wait, that's not all. And you can see it again. Except this time you can see that the light goes right straight through because the rubies are red and it likes the red light. Isn't that something? Ha ha ha. Whoa, and it goes round and round and round. I'm not doing anything. So there you are, boys and girls. Light goes round and round and round. Rubies are red, violets are blue, and I love you.